Something brought you here at this moment, and it is not random. You may think you just clicked on this video, but sometimes life brings you to a message exactly when your heart needs it the most. You might be feeling tired inside. Not only physically tired, but mentally and emotionally tired. You may be dealing with pressure that no one fully understands. You wake up, you go through your day, you talk to people, you smile when needed, but deep inside you feel heavy. Like something is missing. Like something is not right. And you cannot even explain it clearly. There are days when your thoughts do not stop. You think about your future. You think about your past. You think about mistakes you made. You think about people who left. You think about doors that closed. And slowly, your heart starts feeling confused. You try to stay strong, but some nights feel harder than others. In moments like this, a person starts to feel alone. But even when you feel alone, you are not without care and guidance. Your life is not moving without meaning. Every single day you are still standing is a sign that there is something holding your life together. Even when you do not understand it. You may not like your current situation. You may feel delayed in your goals. You may see others moving faster than you. You may feel like your life is not going the way you planned. But life is not only about speed. Sometimes it is about protection. Sometimes slow progress is saving you from what you cannot see yet. Think about the things you lost. Think about the plans that did not work. Think about the people who walked away. At that time it hurt deeply. You may still remember it. But over time, you may also notice that some of those things stopped you from going into situations that would have broken you even more. Not every loss is punishment. Some losses are protection. There are also things you prayed for that did not happen. You asked, you hoped, you waited, but the answer did not come in the way you wanted. That can feel painful. It can make you question many things. But sometimes what you want is not what you need at that time. And timing matters more than we realize. Even your silent prayers matter. The things you never say out loud still reach where they need to reach. The feelings you hide in your heart are not ignored. Even when you feel like nothing is changing, change can be happening slowly in ways you cannot see yet. Right now, your job is not to have all the answers. Your job is to keep going with patience. One step at a time. One day at a time. Even small effort matters. Even slow progress counts. Even when you feel stuck, you're still moving through something important. You are being shaped through this season. Your patience is growing. Your strength is building. Your heart is learning how to stay steady, even when life feels uncertain. This is not wasted time. This is part of your journey, even if it feels difficult right now. Do not measure your life only by what you have not achieved yet. Measure it also by how much you have survived, how much you have learned, and how many times you stood back up after feeling low. That also counts. That also has value. There will come a time when things will make sense. You will look back and understand why certain things did not happen, why certain people left, why certain delays happened. You will see that what felt like confusion was actually direction in disguise. For now, just stay steady. Do not lose hope in your heart. Do not let your current moment convince you that your whole life is stuck. Life changes in ways that often start quietly before they become visible. Take this as your reminder today. You are not forgotten. You are not alone in your struggle. You are not without support. Keep your trust strong, even when your answers are delayed. Keep your heart soft, even when life feels hard. And if this message reached you at the right time, then it is for you. Stay patient. Stay hopeful. Keep moving forward, even if the steps are small. If this spoke to your heart, like this video, share it with someone who needs strength today, and subscribe for more messages that help you stay calm, strong, and hopeful in difficult times.